Creator Wine.
Dayfox Club.
We'll be right back.
Hey guys, hello. How you doing today? How are you doing? Welcome, welcome. Thank you for watching this video. Let's go. Hope you're having an awesome day. An awesome day. Let's go. Let's get right into this. Okay. Busy weekend, having fun, playing around with Visual Studio. Visual Studio 2022. Oh yeah. Oh yeah. What a great IDE. Ah. I like that. That's not bad. Not bad. Okay. So this video pretty much is kind of a how-to change your own or create your own color theme or color palette. Create your own theme, if you will, for Visual Studio. I mean, imagine it works with the older IDs as well. But this is Visual Studio 2022. Okay guys, let's get into this. So it's kind of really easy. A lot of people on the internet are always kind of searching how to change your color, how to change your fonts and such. So I spent most of the weekend grinding it out, and this is what I did. So let's share. Okay, there's a couple of things you could do. Okay, so start off, you click Tools. Okay, Tools. I hope the music's not too loud. Okay. I hope it's good. I'm gonna have the music in, and I hope you guys like it. Okay, Tools, and then Options. Okay, Tools, then Options. Okay. So to change your background, you could just do this. There's a few options here. You could use system settings, blue, background, dark, or light. I'm currently using dark because a lot of chatters, viewers, I don't know, they seem to prefer it. So I conceded, even though I did a RAND function to do it, but yeah, that was fun. And yeah, now we're on dark theme. So that's how you do that. Okay, the next thing you do, so you're in environment here, right? Just go down here to fonts and colors, okay? And I'll give you guys the main ones here, okay? So Tools, Options, I'll just type it up here. Tools /options, and then environment and environment, and lastly fonts and colors. Right? Hopefully I got that correct. Tools, Options, environment, fonts and colors. Okay? Plain text. Okay, I lost my link, so I'm gonna have to search for it again. But I'm gonna give you guys some sites and some information as well. Hopefully this will help you out. Okay, stay tuned. This is gonna be a good 20-minute plus video on the how-to. There's lots here I'm gonna share. I'm gonna give you a breakdown of each display item. So this is going to help you out a lot. I mean, guys, I put a lot of work and I spent time figuring it out. Okay, so I have it here for you to save you the time. Okay, let's go. What should I type here? I need to type environment, I guess. Fonts and colors. Microsoft. That might help in Visual Studio. not 2019, but it'll do the same, guys, if you're using 2019, okay? Alright. Here we go. Okay, so I'm just going to paste the link. So in Google, Bing, Firefox, Mozilla, whichever browser you're using, type that. That's how I found it. So here we go. Microsoft Learn. Okay, so I mean, I guess I could put the link as well, but it'll just be easier if you did that. Okay, I want to explain something here quickly. Okay, let's get into this. Is this the one? I hope so. I don't think this is the link I wanted. They had another link. Show settings. I should have saved it. I wish I didn't delete it. Sometimes I clear my history. Let's see. Maybe it's this one. No. It's gotta be this one. Come on, where are you? Okay, I'm gonna have to do another search. Okay. I have the wrong path. Okay, let's see. Is it this one? No. Let's see. Maybe I'll put how to or something. I should have had this prepared already, guys. How to change taking a wild guess here. No. They had a whole list of all the information. It's kind of a detail of all the items in the display. Display items. Fonts and colors, display items, maybe. Keep getting the same link. No. I'm sure it was called fonts and colors, but bear with me, guys. I'm so bad. I clean my history and then I shouldn't, honestly. Definition of display items, fonts and colors. Try that. Yes, I found it. There we go. I found it. Okay, I'm gonna click back, and here we go. Okay, so this is what I typed. There, I'll change that. Thank you for your patience, guys. Okay, the title of it is called this, Microsoft Learn. I should use, actually, go like this, because I'm going to be pasting a bunch of stuff in here. Okay, here we go. Okay, and that's Learn Visual Studio. That's the path, okay? There you go. Okay, so this is what I wanted to explain. Okay, so we were tools. Here we go again. Let's go. Let's get this going. Okay, plain text. Okay, I wanted to give you a definition of that. Okay, plain text. Okay, here we go. Plain text. That's not too long. Okay, plain text. Alright? Is the default display item. Okay? Guys? As such, properties assigned to plain text will be overridden by properties assigned to other display items. For example, if you assign the color blue to plain text and the color green to identifier, all identifiers will appear in green. Okay? So just take note of that. Okay? So plain text is essentially this. Text in the editor. Okay? Alright. Now we got that out of the way. That's what I wanted to get for you guys. Okay? It was important. Okay, so here we are. So for the most part, I just I'll leave these other ones alone. So we'll go down. You can have them either okay, line number would be the first one. Okay? Line number is basically these. Okay? Alright, so to change them, now take note. We're only going to modify item foreground. Okay? Item foreground. Don't mess with the item background. Keep it as default. Okay, so I have line number highlighted. Okay? And you could click automatic or default. Or you could select this range of colors. Okay, if you want. I kind of have all the main ones here written down. I'm going to give you guys all the RGB color codes and everything. Okay, so there's going to be lots here for you guys. Okay, so I went with default. Okay, I just left it. That's fine. I don't need any fancy colors for that. But you can change it. You know, whatever background you're going to use, whether it's what are the options again? General. It's under general, okay? For your background, okay? Blue, darker, light. If you're going to use light, well, you want darker colors, right? Obviously, right? Okay, so I'm not going to change that. Back to fonts and colors, line numbers. So I left mine white, or default. Okay, let's go down here. So I left these alone. Let's get into the main ones. Okay, pretty much everything here is default, but you could, I mean, some of the colors, I had a theme originally. So basically I took a theme that I had and I've been modifying a theme. So in essence, some of these colors are a little not my favorite colors, but whatever. They aren't the main ones. I'm going to show you guys the main ones, okay? The main display items, okay? Here we go. We're here. Okay, C/C++ user keywords. Okay, what are user keywords? Let me find it here. I have it under default. User keywords. I could probably find it in this list here, maybe on Microsoft's page. User keywords. I took notes here. Where is it? User keywords. Unless it's my... It could be. I wrote keyword. I don't think there is a keyword. There's a keyword control. I meant to write maybe user in front of it. Let's see if there's a keyword. I'm just gonna look. Yeah, there is. Okay, so user keywords. What are they again? I left it as default. I wish I had that one. No, I was just looking for the description. Okay, anyways, let's just carry on. Should have prepared better, but of course, I'm running late like usual, and I wanted to get the stream going and share this, and just time goes by. Never enough time in the day, you know. Okay, event, I don't think I changed. I left that default. Now fields, okay, fields, okay. All right, C++ fields. C++ fields. Okay, what are they? Basically, they are anytime you like use a pointer and the variable name, for example. So here's a line, okay? For example, it's number, okay? That gets changed, okay? So that's field. It's the variable that you create, okay? As a pointer, okay? Now let's go back there again. Fields. Okay, I went custom. So if you want a custom color, right? Like I said again, so item foreground only. We're changing here. Okay, you can change your font, you can change the size, but I recommend you just leave it default. Okay, don't mess with that. Okay, so how to change the color you want, right? So here we go. Quick example, a quick explain. These will be all white, okay? You can actually create your own custom colors. Okay, so how do you do that? All right, let me explain. So I'm gonna bring up another link here. I'm gonna just delete some of these, and here we go. This is the best website I found, okay? So I Google searched for your colors. Color palette, whatever you want. Okay? Same thing. In Google. Let's go like this. That way it's all up here. Okay, for your color palette. Different colors of blue. Just start there. Okay, so here's the website, and it's a good one. Okay? And I'll just paste it. This is a good website. There. Colormeanings.com. Alright? So every time you want to, so in your, oh, I wish that wouldn't do that. Every time you want to change your color, right? So in your browser, right? So this is for your color palette. Of course, I got it in the wrong spot here. Whoops. Work with me program. Okay. I love the program, but it's very finicky. Okay. So in your web browser, in the search bar, right, I just changed the color, right? So if you want to search for green, just go like that. And you'll get a quick link, right? So here's the main colors that are kind of recommended, I guess. We'll just stick to colors. Here are the main ones, okay? Main colors. And then you have red. Let me just have a look here. So go back to here. Custom. RGB, right? Red, green, blue. Okay? Red, green, blue. Alright. So for the color red, guess I could bring this back a little bit. 255 tab 45 tab 0. Okay? Blue 0 118 255. Great. All 71s. Okay, I'll give you the main ones. I mean, you can pick it already, but I just want to give you an idea how the color system kind of works, and you can actually change the values. Okay, so the link that I gave you here, it has basically the RGB numbers for each color. So when you're on this website searching for blue or green or red, they give like a variety of combinations of blue, right? And each color palette has an RGB number. Okay, so that's kind of what I'm getting to here, guys. All right, so yellow. Two, three, 4, 2, 4, 6, 34. Okay, grind this out real quick. Of course, you'll have these, right? 40, 255, and 0. Pink. 60. Okay, one more. D orange. Okay. There. Need some coffee here. So let me give you an idea here. I'll show you the website. Okay. I'll bring it up. So here you go. Here's an example. And then you can scroll down. Of course, you have the hex value as well. Okay, but we're not going to enter hex values. Okay. So here you go. It gives you pretty much a variety of colors with the RGB code. So whichever color you like, right, you just go through here, look through them all, and I picked some good ones. Like I like this one, I like this one. Some of them are too dark. You're gonna have to test them, right? So go through them all, pick your color, and then just test, right? You can change it, test it, change it, test it. That's why I'm gonna give you a description of all the display items, so that you don't have to spend the time trying to figure out which is what and what is which in your code. Okay, steel blue's nice. Carolina blue, that's a good one. I think I was using that one. Let me have a look here. Blue, Carolina blue. Yes. I recommend that one. That's a good one. Okay, what else? Azure, I guess. It's a nice color. It depends on what your background is in that. And like, I don't know if you like your font. It depends if you want a really bright font or a medium type font or a light colored font, right? It just depends. Like, do you want a really flashy color that stands out and that's bold, or do you want a really light color? It just depends on your own preference, right? Space Cadet would obviously be too dark with a black or a dark background. Imperial Blue, not bad. What else did I like? I mean, Aqua is kind of a bright if you like a brighter color. Bayern Blue, that's a good one. Okay, Bayern Blue. Okay, that's what I'm using. What else? Of course, you know, Boeing Blue. All these different companies have their own. The Broncos have their own color code, right? Let's go. This one's not bad. It depends, right? Probably be good, better with a lighter background. Okay. Crayola Blue. Some of the Crayola colors kind of work too. They stand out. Dell Blue. Nah. No, I'm a build my own PC type guy. I call Dell conveyor belt specials. Yeah, conveyor belt specials. Yes, that's what they are. Facebook has their own color. General GM, of course, has their own color. IBM has their own color. What else? Intel. This is a good one as well. Intel Blue. Okay, in your code. So there's a few for you guys there. Okay. All right. Let's get into this. So options. Okay, so how do you add these in? Okay, this is how you do it. Okay, when you figure out your color, write down your RGB code. Okay, or series of numbers, however you want to call it. Okay, and then you go in here. Okay, you can change your line number. For the most part, just ignore, leave everything else default until you understand and know what each one of these are in your code or in the program. I wouldn't mess with it. Okay, just don't even mess with it. Okay, otherwise, if you mess with it too much, then you can click use defaults. Okay, that's basically how you would reset your theme. Okay, which I probably could have did in the beginning, which I should have, but I spent a lot of time on it and I don't want to do that now. Okay, so we were at fields. Okay, so how do you create your custom color? All right, so I have, for this color, I have 114, 110, 109. That's kind of a gray. I'm trying to think. I think it's custom. I wrote it down, but just trying to remember which one it is. Anyways, it doesn't matter. Okay, it honestly doesn't. The name of it, I was trying to figure out the name of it. So what you do, you get your RGB code, right? And then you just highlight the number. Okay, I'm not going to change it, but 114, right? 110, and then just click back in here. 109, okay? Now, before you do that, actually, before you type these in, if you like the color, if you really like it, like, you should test it first. Okay? Test it and see if you like it. Okay? The first thing you do, so I'm just going to cancel. Okay? Customs. And then let's say you wanted, these are all going to be white, right? I actually saved these. Okay? So you click the box that you want to save it in. I tried to follow the same pattern here. Oranges and yellows on this side, greens here, I obviously have another orange and red, and then kind of blues here, and then went with the purples and such. Okay, so you click there first, and then you type in your values. Okay, of course I changed it. I'm gonna hit cancel, but I think it was 114 and 110. I'm just guessing, and then 109. Okay, then you change that. Okay, so first click this, change your values, and then you click add to custom colors. Okay, and that'll add it right here. Okay, and that way every time you just want to go change it, if you don't like it and you want to change it, then all you have to do is just come in here and click your favorite color. Okay, I'm gonna hit cancel. Okay, again, you're confident in the color you want to save it, click the box, type your values, right, that you get off the old interweb, and then click add to custom colors, and then OK. Okay, and that's how you do it. Okay, let's get into something else. Function templates, I left default. Functions. Functions is custom. Okay, what is functions? What are functions? Okay, if you're a coder, you should know this. Functions, methods, they kind of go hand in hand when coders are talking the lingo. Okay. So the color I picked was copper gold. Okay, copper gold, and copper gold is 185, 123, 88. Okay, remember we're changing our RGB colors here. That's it. You don't even need to touch this. These will get automatically changed when you type these in. Okay, you can see I saved it here. Okay, so I first clicked here, typed in my numbers, add to custom, clicked OK, and then boom shakalaka, we were there. Okay, I'm gonna cancel this. So what are those? Okay, C++ functions. Basically, they're your function names. Okay, that's basically what they are. Well, I'm just gonna go function names. Okay. Okay, the function name that you create. Okay, so you can see in my program here, I have some functions. And here you go. That's the color. Okay, for every function. Even down here. Same thing as well. Okay? Functions are your function names. Okay, let's carry on. I don't think you guys will find any other channel that'll put all the work and effort into this on showing you how to do this. So, you could look, I guess. Good luck. But I'm telling you, I put a lot of time into this. So, stay tuned. Alright. Inline hence default. Okay, keyword control. Keyword hyphen control. Okay, that's the next one. What are they? Keyword hyphen control. Basically, it is if, else, break, return, right? Return has it. Okay. So it's kind of an oddball color, but that's what I went with. So if I type in F, there you go. Right, and else, same thing. Okay? So I went with kind of a funky purple. I mean, it's kind of an oddball, but the theme I had kind of had them colors in it. So when I started working with Visual Studio and I had the dark background, it's kind of the colors I had before. And I went to a white background, got used to a new set of colors, and then went back to the dark background. I guess when you're learning the code, guys, kind of make a decision right off the hop. You're gonna have like 50% people say they prefer white and 50% prefer dark, right? It's always just gonna be like that, right? So decide what background you want and then stick with it and then change your color theme. That way you get used to the colors you're using and you're not constantly having to readjust. Like, kind of like, trust me, that's the pain I'm going through. Okay, let's go here. Okay, we are on keyword control. Okay, I went with a wacky color. I forget what it is. Maybe it's Mopar purple. It's Mopar purple. That's what it is. It's called electric purple. Okay, no, not electric. Medium purple. Or yeah, medium purple. Let's just call it Mopar purple. Why not? 147, 112, 219, and I saved it, right? You can see that I saved it because the box is highlighted. Okay, let's do the next one. Whoops, shouldn't have did that. What's next? Labels. Did we do labels? No. Local variables. Yes. Okay. What are local variables? Local variables, basically it's everything in your main. Okay, don't get me wrong, so this is whatever is in the main, or I'm gonna go main only. Okay, anything in the main. Okay, what are they? Variable names, objects that you create in the main. Okay, that's local, right? Makes sense, guys? They're local variables. So let's go here, have a quick look. Okay, local variables. I have a custom color, 75, 156, 211. My custom color is, it's called Carolina Blue. Carolina Blue. Okay, that's the color. 75, 156, 211. Okay, and again, I saved it. Okay, and basically, like I said, variable names and objects, right? When you create objects. So if you have a class, oh, how did that even happen? Oh my goodness gracious, Sally on Sundays. Stay there. Don't be doing anything weird. Okay, so let's say you had a class, and let's say the class name is, I don't know, console. Okay, and then you would create like an object name, right? Test object, we'll just call it. Okay, of course, you know, yeah, there we go, it kind of came up, and then you would go again when you're typing code, test object, to make the magic happen, dot separator, and then whatever you want, function or whatever's going on, you type after. So that's an object. Okay, and variable names. Okay, I just want to delete this. Variable names. Okay, here we go. I guess that would be test, right? The variable name. Again, it's in the main body, so you're only affecting local variables. Okay, let's carry on. Class names, yeah, class names and variable names. Variable names, objects. Okay, next one. Okay, there's local macros. Okay, what are macros? So you know, of course, there's no definition of a macro here on Microsoft Learn, but I don't know, definition of a macro. Okay. Okay, this is all you need. All right. There, definition of a macro in C++. A macro is a label defined in the source code that is replaced by its value by the preprocessor before compilation. Macros are initialized with the hashtag define preprocessor command, okay? Comma, and can be undefined with the undef command as well. Okay, there's the hashtag define. So that's a macro, okay? Even the macro name is that color, okay? Or the define, whatever you're using, okay? That gets changed, and then here's another example of a macro, okay? Double pi equals m underscore pi, okay? There you go. There's a macro. All right, that one you understand. So I could copy this, I guess, and C++ macros, and this, for example. Maybe I'll just copy this. Okay, there. Let's continue. Lots to go through here. So that's macros. Okay. Member functions. Okay, I should have that written down here too. Yeah, member functions. What are member functions? Okay. All right, member functions basically are your constructors, destructors. I hit the wrong one. And what else? Void name, the name of void. So the void name, whatever you call the void function. Okay. Also, when you're inside a class, your setters and getters. Get num, for example. Set num. Okay? Now, where are my tunes here? What's up? Yes, I'm still watching. Goodness gracious. Why do you have to ask me that question? Oh my god. Are you still watching? No, I'm in Kansas City right now, ordering hot dogs at the vending machine. Unbelievable. Okay, let's go. Where were we? Member functions. Okay, it's all the same thing. So I'm using 185, 123.88. And that's copper gold. Okay, and again, I saved it. Like I said, same process, guys. Okay, click the empty box, type in your values, add to custom, and then okay. That easy. Okay, what's next? Okay, this is custom as well. Member operator functions. Now, I don't know if I have that one. That one, member operator. Do I have that one? I don't want to explain it if I don't have it. C++ user keywords. Having a quick look here. I left as default. Let's see, did I use custom? No. Again, that's part of my theme, right? So my theme already had that. And so I just left it as default. Probably the same thing with member operator functions. Actually, you know what? I'm coming to think of it. Because members are part of a class, right? Okay, when you hear member, members are basically kind of like the kids in a family, all right? Including functions, right? Functions will be members in a class. Okay, I don't have that one written down. So I'm thinking, well, obviously you know what an operator is, right? So I'm thinking when you create your class, right? Class console. Okay. We'll just do one up here real quick. Okay. Private. Okay, and then I don't know, int Bob, and then equals, I don't know, 69, Bob 69, and then I don't know, double Frank. He's, I don't know, he's 5.05. He's still a young person. And then I don't know, bool is true, I don't know, equals false. Okay, all right, and then in public variables, whatever, we're not creating a class right now, but that gives you kind of an idea, right? So, and then you would have functions inside, right? So go like this quickly. Okay. Or, let's see, hang on, hold up. I mean, I could have left it like that too, but whatever, it's all the same. I believe it should be like that, and then go like this. And like this. Okay. Okay, and then of course a void function. Just to give you guys an idea, okay? All right, there we go. something quick and something simple. Okay, let's carry on. So operators, yeah, let's say you had operators, right? Of course, these are operators, right? I think they're talking about maybe when your member function operators, maybe you have an int function. And it has some sort of calculation of some sort inside. Okay. I don't know. Okay. Again, an operator inside. And then of course you have, let's say you have an if as well. Bob is equal to, I don't know, 59, right? CO. What? Good enough. Don't matter. This is just so you guys can see, okay? Alright. Let's carry on. We were at... I go too far. Member operator functions, okay? And they're custom. I left it custom. I don't know. I don't think I picked anything. Yeah, I did. Okay, what is that one? That one is... I have it written down here, guys. 164... What is it? 160... Oh, right. $164. Just looking here, guys. I'm not sure. 164, 198, 57. I mean, when you go through it, it's kind of like a green, so it would be part of the green, I guess. So like I said, when you're in your search bar, just keep this in your search bar here. Okay, all of this. Keep that in your search bar, and then just change. Say you want to look at green, right? Click the end of it and then hit enter. You'll come up with the same link, color meanings. Okay, they have pages and pages and pages of all the different colors for you guys. Okay, and it gives you something to look at too, right? You can look at that the color on you while you're browsing and go, hey, I like that color, right? Gives you a variety, right? Okay, let's carry on. Namespaces. Do I have that one? Yeah. Okay, what are namespaces? Namespaces are, here we go. So that would be this. Okay, of course I don't have it up here, but using namespace std. Okay? Alright, that's a namespace. Okay, and what changes in the namespace? Well, the standard, the std. Okay? So basically the STD part, okay? And that, for example. Same thing with this, Okay, for example. Okay, the STD, short for standard, guys. Okay, keep your head out of the gutter. Okay, so there you go. All right, what's next? This is more than a 5-minute video, guys, on a how-to. All right, you're getting the breakdown here of display items. Again, I iterate, you probably won't see that or find that anywhere on the internet. Okay, this is much more thorough. Okay, namespace is done. What's next? The new delete operator. Okay, do I have that written down? I feel like I've been taking notes, but I do have it. Okay, what's the new /delete operator functions? Just gonna do a bunch here because I'm tired of typing that. New delete. Was it operator functions? Let me see. Yeah, operator functions. Okay, what are they? So whenever you're using the new operator, okay, for example, it's num equals new. I don't know if that's supposed to be a variable name or what. I think so. Okay, it's the new part. Okay, that gets changed. New. So we'll see if we can do it. George, int George equals new Bob. Okay. I mean, it should be a pointer, I guess. I really hate when I do that. Okay, something to that effect. Right? New. There. And what am I using? Maybe you want to know what I'm using? I don't know. Okay, it's right here. 0102178. Okay, and that color is Bayom. B-A-Y-O-M, I believe. It's a nice color. Okay, 0102178. Okay, again, I saved it. Okay, in my custom colors. Okay, operator functions. Okay, what are those? Well, you've seen the increment and decrement operator, right? What's normally ITR? I'll just go ITR. Okay. Right. What else? Yeah, there's more, right? Plus equals. Okay. Comparison operators. Minus equals. Times equals, you know, it's all the same, guys. Divide equals, all right? Operator functions, there you go. Parameters, okay, oh yeah, I guess I'll look. So I'm using this for a color. You don't have to use mine. I mean, I'm just trying to go with something that, I don't know. To be honest, I don't even know if I have my theme set up the way I want it. But I was trying to match what I had initially when I started streaming with the white background. Okay, that's kind of what I've been trying to do, so that I could go back to the original way when I was coding and getting used to. Because if your colors are different than that, a lot of times you're like typing code and you won't even know if you made a mistake anywhere because the color didn't change or something. You don't notice it, right? So pick a theme, stick to it, and then you'll notice the subtleties. Remember, again, I iterate syntax and semantics, guys. Right? Okay, 0, 165, 156. That is on operator functions. Gray cloud. That's not even a gray cloud. Okay. Gray cloud is that 182, 182, 180. Okay, if you don't want like a white, right? Gray cloud. Okay, for some reason I don't know why that changed to that color, but whatever. Okay, parameters. What are parameters? Okay, here we go. For example, class. And inside your parameters, you would have like int and then number, okay? Comma, string, US text, for example, okay? So it's the variable inside, okay, that gets changed. So the variable name, okay? These are for example. Okay, guys? Again, variable name inside the parameters. Okay? Even this one. Parameters. And I'm using 132, 132, and 130. That's Battleship Gray. Battleship Gray. Because, you know, last night I had a dream of that Battleship movie. Man, that movie is so litty. Man. I actually was enjoying the dream. And, that black dude's beating up that alien and stuff. That was so good. I don't know why, but that was the part of the video I was dreaming about, okay? I can't control my dreams. But for some reason, I was playing the movie in my dreams. Let's go. Okay, properties I skipped. I'll bring this here quickly, okay, guys? Alright, so here's Microsoft's website. Okay, this is what you're looking for. Okay, and then it has some notes in that, and then here you go. It's kind of it's not everything, so this is your display item. Okay, and there's everything inside here, but they don't have everything, right? So if you kind of want a description, it's here. Alright, for the most part, a lot of these I didn't even mess with. Like, I didn't mess with any of these. I just, whatever the theme was, I left it default. Okay? There you go. Okay, skipping to... Yeah, so static fields. I think that's the next one. Yeah. Now, static fields, I didn't take any notes on that, unfortunately. What are static fields? Well, Well, I have them as, I think is that Gray Cloud? No, Battleship. Yeah, same thing, Battleship Gray. Okay? Static fields, they're static obviously, but I didn't take any. That's old silver. Old silver. Okay, that's what it is. Static member functions, don't think I did. It is custom, but again, I believe that's Gray Cloud. Okay? Gray Cloud for static member functions. Okay? Remember, members are inside a class. Okay? String delimiter character. Default. I didn't change. Escape character. Okay, what is that? Okay? String hyphen escape character. That's an easy one, guys. \n. Okay? I even had one up here. Right here. Okay? Alright? And I went with .238, .237, and 9. Okay, and that's a wild yellow. What's it called again? There's a name for it. Yellow, yellow, yellow. I got so many colors written down on a piece of paper. It's just like trying to find it, you know? Where did I put you? Xanthic. I'm not even going to try to pronounce it. Xanthic. Xanthic. It kind of stands out. It's a bit poppin'. Okay? It pops a little bit. You feel me? Pops. Okay? That's an escape character. Literals. These are all custom. I didn't really mess with them, but they're all basically, think Gray Cloud again. No, Battleship. Battleship Gray. Okay? I just left them alone. User types. What are user types? I swear I wrote that down. It's custom. I don't think I messed with it, but I have it as that. And 75, 156. That's Convo? No, what is it? Carolina. Carolina Blue. Carolina! Oh yeah! It's so beautiful up in Carolina! Yeah! Carolina Blue. Okay, again, I don't have any notes. Oh, I do have notes. User types, what are they? Okay, my notes are kind of terrible, but for example, STD, string. Okay, that's an example. And enums, if you're using enum, it's the variable name. Okay, variable name. So I type in enum. Okay, variable name. And then same thing with up here, string. Okay, string, same color. Okay, guys and gals. and then U short. Name U short. Name. Let me just go like this. Yeah. The variable, like a type def, same thing. Okay, the variable name and a type def. Okay. Let's continue. Okay, what were we? User types. Now, everything else here I left default. It's kind of a wacky color. I don't know if you want to use it or not. But I just left it alone. Again, you could just click here. You could even maybe, if you don't like it, go with automatic. It's what it's. Hey, it's your software. It's on your system. You roll with it. Okay, C++ variables. Variables. Well, we all should know what variables are, right? What are variables? I think this is correct. C out, C in. It's odd, but that's what they're called, right? We would think of them as variable names, but no. Okay, C++ variables. And I went with 247, 127, and 0. And that is... just looking for the name of it. Name of the color. 247. Orange, right? Of some sort. U of T. It's an orange. It's called U of T. I guess I could look for it in orange. Click back. Orange. And then I'll see. Whoop, wrong website. Color meanings. I'll get the name here for you guys and gals, okay? Here, let me bring it up so you can see. At least you're participating. Okay, let's look for it. Quite a few good colors. It's just your preference. Again, just type it in and then test it, right? Just remember the name that you're working on. Do one independently. Do one at a time, okay? And remember which one you're working on. And then also remember, like, what was it originally? Default or automatic, right? Because if you change it and then you forget what it was initially, you know, you might be kicking yourself a little bit. There it is. I think it's University of Tennessee Orange, okay? 247, 127, 0. Is that right? Yes, it is. Okay, there you go. And that's your C out and C in, right? C out. Right? Same thing with C in. Okay, CN. I mean, it's a good color. Try not to go with too many wild colors, to be honest. Like, I tried to stick with kind of a blues, oranges with the numbers. Anything that stands out. Of course, green was kind of the color of my font before. We'll get into that color soon. And so yeah, don't go like all rainbow bright and stuff unless of course you like that sort of thing. You can roll with it, but I don't know. I don't think you should go with too many wild colors. I mean, I feel like I have too many wild colors, to be honest. Okay, so I skipped all this stuff. Okay, so all of these I did. Okay, this pretty much majority of them. Okay, all the ones with C++. Okay, let's go down now. Okay, you can see everything's pretty much default still. Comment. There's another one. Okay, comment. Okay, what are comments? Well, obviously you can see this is a comment, right? All right. We're inside a comment. What color is comment? You guys gonna love this. Hopefully. Comment. 133, 187, 101. Okay. That's the color of money. Money, 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 money. That's the color of money. Money, 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 money. Yeah. Oh yeah, you guys love that, didn't you? Just make a song out of that. Compiler error. I changed it to red. I made my own custom. I don't know. You get a squiggly usually. Well, actually, yeah, it's my own custom color. What color is that? Red. 237, 41, 57. Where is it? Red, 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 red. Okay. Red, 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 red. I don't know. Uh, 237? Yeah. It's called Imperial Red. Imperial. Okay? I just thought of the old gas stations. Okay? That's why I rolled with it. Because it reminded me of the old school gas stations. Okay? There. Now you know. Okay, that's compiler error. You can't get errors inside your GUI here as well. I have to figure out which one that is, but that one's compiler error. Okay, for the most part I left these alone. I didn't mess with these. Okay, everything's either default or custom. Again, I had a theme already set up. I should have probably went with use defaults and then kind of went from there. Start from fresh, right? Maybe you just installed your program or software. You'll be still fresh, okay? Because you are fresh. Let's go. Okay, so I skipped through all this, okay? Error, again. It's defaulted, but I mean, I forget which one I had. Is it that one? Yeah. Right? There, I just changed it, okay? Of course, when you do that, make sure you click OK again. Alright? Let's keep going. Get this finished. Error message, default. I left all the F ones alone. Of course, I'm like doing CPP, right? These are all still default or custom. HTML, right? I went with a custom HTML. Of course, it's not saved, but that's the color of it. Okay, it's kind of a yellowy. Where's yellow again? 232, 191. Okay, that was part of the theme. I think it's part of the theme. Okay, that's okay. Those are the colors, in case you want them. Alright, HTML comments. I don't care for the purple very much, to be honest. But it's there. Okay, JSONs left alone. Keyword. Okay, what's a keyword? Okay, that's another one I changed. I don't know how many are going to be left, but here, we'll just add a few more. Okay, what's a keyword? Okay, that's Bayern Blue. So using typed up keywords are using. These are keywords. Okay. Typed up. Void. Double. And I think even new. I know I mentioned new earlier, but I think it's in there as well. Delete is another one. And int. Okay? Some examples of keywords. So that is 0102178, and that color is Bayam Blue. I think it's BAYUM, if I recall. Okay, keyword control. What's keyword control? Okay, I know I've done this already. Keywords, or did I? Okay, what's keyword control? Again, yeah, I think I already did this, didn't I? Yeah, it's right there. We're kind of jumping the gun here. So I'm just going to paste it right there. Okay? That's keyword control. Let's go. Now, was that up here as well? Yeah. It's here, and it's down here. Okay? Now, honestly, I don't know why there would be a couple of them, but there is. I made them both the same. Okay? Either way, regardless, I just made sure they're both the same. Okay? Less keywords I didn't mess with. Okay, I left that alone. Line numbers, that's kind of what you're working on. Current line number. So, I mean, I could change this to, right? It changes to a kind of a brighter color. You can see right there. Okay, I left it as default. You can change it to a different color if you want. It's whenever it's highlighted. Okay, that's what that is. Literal. Literal is automatic. Default, memory address, default. That might be your ampersand. What else do we have? I'm trying to give you the main ones that I changed. Okay, number is another one. Okay, that's your number. Cancel. Obviously, it's a value, right? Okay. Okay, there you go. And that's the color of it. It's your values. All right. Okay. Yes, I'm still watching. Okay, I don't know why that's doing that to me, but anyways. Okay. Number, we're getting close to being done, guys. I just wanted to give you the main ones. The main ones, okay? You're still listening and watching. Appreciate it. Operator. Okay, what's an operator? I don't have an example of an operator, but it would be like, you know, your less than equal to and such, right? Now, I don't know why I went with that color. I just did. It should be maybe like off-white, an eggshell white or something, right? It should be something like that. Operators are your operators, okay? Basically. Okay, now if that works locally, globally, I don't know. Okay, what's next? Because there is more than one operator, right, guys? Operator that's overloaded. That's part of the theme. I don't know why they would be like that color. I would prefer, like, what did I use before? Error messages, I prefer they're red. Let's see. 237. That's the one. Okay. And I'm just gonna save it. Because if it's red, that's giving me a warning, right? Where were we? Did I go too far? No, I didn't. Correct. Now, correct is, I believe, this. Okay? That's a correct. Okay? Not common. Not something I use commonly. Method. Default. Okay, what else? Overview, correct. Just trying to get through the rest of these kind of quickly, because for the most part, we've already been through majority of them. Preprocessor, where's that? I didn't even do that yet. Here we go. Preprocessor keyword. Okay. Preprocessor, that one's automatic. Keyword is this. Okay. All right. Preprocessor. Was it keyword? I think so. That's this, guys. Okay. Hashtag include. Hashtag define. Okay. There you go. And I believe I went with Battleship, if I recall. Okay, I feel like I'm missing some, but maybe not. Okay, we're getting close though. Okay, preprocessor. That's keyword. Okay, that's done. What else do we have? Most of these I left alone, guys. Okay? String. There we go. Okay? I'll show you the colors. That's the color I went with. 212, 204, 154. I don't know the name of it, but you got the values. Okay? In case you want to use it. Okay, string. Well, obviously, what's a string, right? Anything inside your quotations. Okay? String. Right, of course you would see it something like that, right? Alright, let's finish up. I'm giving them the main ones. You guys are getting the main ones here. Alright? If you want to play around with some of them, that's your risk. Okay? I don't recommend it though. I mean, you could, and then you would have to reset everything. And if you spent hours working on this, escape character, well, that would be a backslash, right? Okay. What else? Comment, numbers done, operator, preprocessor keywords. I just want to see if I missed any. Namespaces, new delete arb. I think I've gotten through majority of them, yeah. String escape character, that's the only one I changed. Okay, yeah. And I think that's it, guys. I've gone through all of them. Text, no, I just left that default. Not really sure. Types, same thing, default. I didn't touch any of these. Warnings. Oh, the custom warning. Red. Yeah. And that's it. That's it, guys. That's all of it in a nutshell. Those are kind of the main ones. Alright? Again, you could search YouTube and see if you can find anybody doing this, but good luck. Good luck. Have fun with that. Thank you for watching, though. Excuse me. Okay, I'm going to leave it at that. So again, we'll just recap, right? To change your fonts and colors, again, you could have your own theme as well, right? But that's your background, right? You can import a theme as well. All right. Maybe I'll do that another time. I don't really want to import a theme right now. Okay, what's customized? Okay, that's just whatever. That's all up here. That's this stuff. Okay. Again, tools, options, environment, fonts and colors. Item foreground only. I left plain text kind of custom or whatever. Okay, I did do a custom, but I left it kind of a battleship gray. Okay, again, you got the notes on plain text. Okay, and then just quickly to save, to create one, if you find a color you like, click the square, then edit your values, RGB, add to custom, okay. All right, that's it. That's it in a nutshell. All right, you want to check out different colors, color palette. Again, colormeanings.com. They're a pretty good website for that. These are just the main colors, you know, standard colors, right? Which would be part of your pull down list, right? They would be the same, essentially. Okay, guys, I'll leave this up here for you guys right there. That's pretty much it in a nutshell. Those are the main ones if you want to play around with. Thank you for watching. I bless wherever you are. Have an awesome day, guys and gals alike. Appreciate you watching. Johnny with Whiskey Tango Coding. You guys take care and have an awesome day. Peace out.
Want to know how I took my business to the next level?
It's simple. It's Shopify. Shopify.
Baby, I don't understand this. You're changing, I can't stand it. My heart can't take this damage. In the way I feel, can't stand it. Baby, I don't understand this. You're changing, I can't stand it. My heart can't take this damage. In the way I feel, can't stand it. Baby, I don't understand this. You're changing, I can't stand it. My heart can't take this damage. In the way I feel, can't stand it. Baby, I don't understand it. I don't understand it. I don't understand it. Girl, you're making it hard for me. Girl, you're making it hard for me. Girl, you're making it hard for me. Baby, I don't understand this. You're changing, I can't stand it. My heart can't take this damage. In the way I feel, can't stand it. Baby, I don't understand this. You're changing, I can't stand it. My heart can't take this damage. In the way I feel, can't stand it. Baby, I don't understand this. You're changing, I can't stand it. My heart can't take this damage. In the way I feel, can't stand it. Baby, I don't understand it. I don't understand it. I don't understand it. Girl, you're making it hard for me. Girl, you're making it hard for me. Girl, you're making it hard for me. Baby, I don't understand this. You're changing, I can't stand it. My heart can't take this damage. In the way I feel, can't stand it. Baby, I don't understand this. You're changing, I can't stand it. My heart can't take this damage. In the way I feel, can't stand it. Baby, I don't understand this. You're changing, I can't stand it. My heart can't take this damage. In the way I feel, can't stand it. Baby, I don't understand it. I don't understand it. I don't understand it.